Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, Bank Nifty, being pretty much like flat in the first half of the day, and then being getting bullish in the second half. And Nifty, however, from the start of the day itself, Nifty was bullish. So what can we expect for tomorrow over here is very simple. First of all, let's talk about Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty is near 41,700, which was a resistance, right? I mean, which is a resistance, but the thing is, this resistance has now become very weak, right? Why do I say this? Is because the more times a resistance or a support is tested, the weaker it becomes. Why? Very simple psychology over here is that, say if you would have been a seller, right, and if you would be thinking, Ki, where should I sell, where should I create a short position, right? The first time Bank Nifty came near 41,700, you will be like, okay, Bank Nifty took a resistance from here, let me create my position over here again, right? And the second time, if Bank Nifty comes again at 41,700, you will be like, okay, this is a resistance, let me again sell over here. But the third time or the fourth time Bank Nifty comes, you cannot always add your position, right? After a point, you will stop and you'll be like, okay, this every time Bank Nifty is coming near my cost, this is not good, let me exit my position. Bank Nifty every time goes down and then again reverses. So this will affect your psychology, and like you, there will be many people who would have shorted again and again near 41,700, right? So now these guys, they will lose faith over here, right? That 41,700 is a good resistance because it is being tested again and again and again, right? So this is not good for the sellers. So from here, very simple, you guys can go ahead and take, if we say open flat anywhere near like say 550, even at 600 and all these levels, above 41,690 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade, bullish trade, and you guys can easily expect 41,950 on the upside. I think this resistance has been tested multiple times, and from here, if we break out, we can expect a very trending day tomorrow also in Bank Nifty, right? Where can we sell? Very simple. If you see below 41,400, from where the selling started, below 41,390 is where you guys can go ahead and create short positions. Say tomorrow we open with a very big gap down somewhere near 41,450 or 400, then things will become bearish because we've closed in a positive sentiment and now we are opening with a negative sentiment, right? The sentiment has changed overnight. So anybody who would have created short positions over here, oh sorry, anybody who would have created long positions over here, they would now want to get out of their position, right? And this will create a lot of pressure in the market, selling pressure in the market, which will pull down the market very easily, right? So from here, very simple, if we open with a gap down somewhere near 41,390, do not hesitate to sell over here. You guys can easily expect 41,050 to 41,000 on the downside tomorrow, right? So tomorrow could again be a good trending day in the market, right? Only time things may not be trending is, say, if you open above 41,800 and all these levels, right? Then things will become kind of volatile, because what will happen is that we are opening at 41,800, right? So first of all, sellers will get panicked and they would want to square off their positions, but at the same time, anybody who would have created long positions over here, they would also want to book their profits. So things could get volatile, right? Maybe we open at 41,800 and move to 42,000 and then again take resistance from there and and consolidate over here itself, right? If that happens, right, if we consolidate in a range tomorrow after opening with a gap up, say near 42,000, then at the expiry day, we could again expect a good trending expiry on the upside, right? So that's for Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about Nifty. Nifty, if you see, has already done a lot of momentum today itself. So tomorrow Bank Nifty could lead the charge as compared to Nifty. But yeah, tomorrow Nifty has a little bit less space on the upside, if you see, right? I mean, if you would take a trade above 17,950, you would want to exit somewhere near 17,990 to 995, right? So that gives you only 40 points of momentum on the upside. Although you can short say 17,900p or 850p and hold it for the day, because what could happen is that Nifty could move up from here and then hover over here itself for the rest of the day, right? So you could take the theta DK over here, right? If you are an option seller. If you're an option buyer, do not worry. I mean, if you're an option buyer, just do not think about, like buying over here and making a lot of money, because from here 18,000 is near. So we could expect a little bit of consolidation or less momentum in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty, right? Again, in Nifty, where can you sell? Very simple, below 17,850 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade, because this will be around about 50% of the momentum. So right, anybody would have created long positions over here, now they will be trapped. So if we say open with a very good gap down, right, somewhere near 17,860, 860 or 850, all these levels, then all the buyers would get panicked and they would want to square off their positions, right? If we open flat or somewhere near 17,900, even then I'm bullish, because it will not be enough to, spook out the buyers, right? A big gap up is needed to spook out the buyers right now, or until and unless then I am bullish on the market. Very simple, right? And also I tell you guys in FinNifty that if you get a breakout on the upside or downside after the first hour, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here, buy option over here. So if you see, if you would have, taken a trade over here above 18,500, you guys would have gotten a very good trade, right? If you see, pretty much, if you would have, say, bought 18,500 somewhere near, I think, I don't remember exactly, but it was going at around 20, 25 rupees. This, if you would have bought it over here, you could have easily, your option would have quadrupled over here, right? So you could have made a very good money. This is because in the first hour itself, a lot of premium DK happens. In the first hour or two of FinNifty, a lot of DK happens, and after that, the option prices are very less. So you have to risk very less, whereas you can, gain a lot. And as you can see in FinNifty, if you would have bought above, say, 18,500, you guys can go ahead and make a lot of money, right? Even if you would have bought over here, that I did, I bought an option over here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, as you guys can see over here, I bought an option over here as soon as we broke out about 18,540. And as you can see, that option I bought at 16 and I exited at 47, right? In 10 minutes. That option tripled in value in 10 minutes, right? So that's how you can make a very good money in FinNifty on expiries, even in Nifty and Bank Nifty for that matter. So anyways, guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys like my video, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.